Once your hair is too tight, I feel like it stunts your hair growth. Hi guys, it's Debbie. How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing wonderful. Thank you for coming over and checking out this video. So today I'm going to be talking about hairstyles that I have used to retain length. Now I came from this to this and now to this. Work in progress, but it still have grown significantly and retained a lot of length. And a big part of that is my overall routine, right? But to me, because my hair was in such a bad shape, the routine overall was great, but I feel like what really helped me retain major length was the type of hairstyles that I chose to wear. So if you're interested to see the type of hairstyles that I use to get this type of result, stay tuned. The first hairstyle that I'm gonna share with you guys is braided buns and braided twists. Seriously, like I just put my hair in maybe 3 or 4 twists or braids on each side, and then I just roll it up in a bun and accessorize it with something cute, you know, or like just throw on a headband. I feel like hair accessories is like my go-to when it comes to like trying to do low manipulation hairstyle, because you don't want to look too basic, you know, and I feel like accessorizing it adds something to your look. You know, one singular bun, 2 buns like myself, or even in a ponytail. Once you put it in braids or twists and then put it in a bun, it's perfect retaining length. 2 reasons. The first reason is it helps keep your hair stretched, right? Because shrinkage causes a lot of tangles, and tangles causes a lot of breakage. So when you put it like this in braids, it helps to stretch it, which therefore prevents it from shrinking and breaking. The second reason why it helps to retain a lot of length is because it helps retain moisture. Once you moisturize your hair, lock in the moisture, and you put it in a bun like this, it's gonna stay moisturized. Therefore, the ends stay healthier, which will then help you retain more length. So yeah, super easy and simple. And I have a hair scarf tutorial on my channel, so I'll link it down below if you guys want to check it out. But this is such a simple, quick way to look presentable when you're trying to grow your hair and trying to retain length with low manipulation hairstyle. Regardless of what your hair is looking like under there, 2 weeks twist out, 2 weeks braid out, doesn't matter. You know, you can still dress it up nice and still be growing your hair. Hair scarves are like super amazing. Braids, extensions, and twist extensions. Now, this hairstyle can easily help you retain length. However, you do have to do these simple things in order for it to actually work for you, which is before you put in your braids and your twists, make sure you deep condition your hair. Deep condition it, give it some love and attention. Make sure it's super moisturized and hydrated before you put in the braided extensions. And on top of that, while you have your extensions in, make sure that you are moisturizing it. Yes, you can still moisturize your twist. You can oil your scalp. You can spray in leave-in conditioner and keep your twists and braids hydrated under your extensions. That will make sure that when you take it out, it's still soft, it's still hydrated, it's not going to break, and you're gonna keep your hard-earned length, you guys. Introducing Melinda wigs. Wigs are amazing as well in retaining length because you're leaving your hair alone. But you have to do the right way. You have to make sure that you're moisturizing your hair most times after you take off your wig. So if you're going to be wearing a wig every day, at least moisturize your hair twice a week. You know, don't just leave the cornrow dry and hop the wig on, you know, all week long without touching your actual hair. Go in there, oil your scalp, and spray some sort of leave-in conditioner or something like that in there, and make sure your hair stay hydrated, because if you don't do that, even with your wigs, your hair might dry out and break when you take out your braids under your wigs. Now also make sure that it's not squeezing your scalp too much, because if it's getting too tight on your head, I kind of feel like it stunts your hair growth. From my personal experience, once your hair is too tight, I feel like it stunts your hair growth. Alright ladies, so that's basically it. That is all the hairstyles that I have been consistently rocking for the past few years that has helped me retain major length in my hair, and I know that it will work for you as well. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video with a friend, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye!